We're gonna make a basic emulsified vinaigrette. Today I'm gonna show you what you need to put in your salad dressing to make sure that the emulsification is stable. So we're gonna start off with half a cup of olive oil. Just gonna measure it out over here. Now we're gonna measure out half a cup of balsamic vinegar. Now we're gonna try to emulsify the oil and the vinegar together. Look what happens. You might think it's emulsified right now, but over time you're gonna see the oil and the vinegar will separate. So as you can see, the oil and the vinegar is starting to separate because we do not have a stabilizer in there. So to solve this issue, we're gonna put a little bit of Dijon mustard. And we're gonna put some salt and pepper for some added flavor. Now let's mix it all together. That's too much work. This is quicker. Look at that. That is nicely emulsified. If you enjoyed learning how to make this vinaigrette, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.